if you are facing a problem like you're committing on Git and pushing your code over to the GitHub, but still this green area is not showing any changes or saying you have contributions here. So what you can do is you can go to your emails, to your account, and go to emails, change this thing to the primary email, change this to the primary email, and also change this to be primary, and uncheck this. If it is checked, just uncheck this, keep my email private, because it will change your email to something like this in your terminal or the user. Also, what I found is that you need to change this in git bash. You need to change and have the same email which is present here. Other than that, it will not work. So you must have the same emails on both the sides. Then then only you will have commits over here. That's why my previous history is blank for most of the part. This is what I found while I was working, and this came to know. I had to do some changes to show all these commits in my repositories.